Welcome to eMudhra eKYC account opening flow meant for applying a digital signature or opening an eSign account. The video also assumes that you have filled in basic information and completed a payment prior to landing on this screen. As a foreign individual opening an eKYC account with eMudhra, select your country code, enter your mobile number, and click Proceed. Fill in the required details and hit Next. Upload your passport and necessary documents, then click Submit. Set up your credentials, verify your mobile with the OTP, and click Submit. This is required subsequently to use your digital signature. Record a video following the instructions by showing the passport uploaded. Preview it, ensure it's correct, and click Submit. Your details will be verified for DSC issuance. Thank you.